Michael, what's today's audio?
I'm going to talk about Linkplay's WiiM Pro Plus music streamer.
What is a music streamer?
Basically, it's like a network player.
You already have a network player, right? Did you need a similar device?
I have been using D&M's HEOS and Yamaha's MusicCast for music apps. Neither of these apps are easy to use. Then I heard a rumor that the WiiM Home app for the WiiM Pro Plus device was easy to use. So I decided to give WiiM Pro Plus a try.
You're curious about it too, aren't you, Master?
Yeah, I'm curious.
And how was the usability of the WiiM Home app? How was the sound quality of WiiM Pro Plus?
In conclusion, the usability of the WiiM Home app is great, and the sound quality of the WiiM Pro Plus is not bad. Let's start with the introduction of WiiM Pro Plus. Before that, WiiM Pro Plus has a lower-class device called WiiM Pro. The upgraded version of the WiiM Pro is the WiiM Pro Plus.
What is the difference compared to WiiM Pro?
The WiiM Pro Plus uses Asahi Kasei's 4493 SEQ DAC chip. The DAC in the WiiM Pro is Burr Brown's PCM 5121. This is a high-performance, high-quality chip with a higher grade than the PCM 5121. So in addition to improved physical characteristics, the overall sound quality has been improved in terms of the amount of information, range, and texture of the sound. Furthermore, WiiM Pro Plus newly employs an ultra-low noise clock and a large-scale review of the PCB board layout, including the power circuitry. They have succeeded in bringing out high specifications in the analog output by doing so.
The performance has been improved with the WiiM Pro Plus.
Still, the price is low, around 35,000 yen. The housing is compact, a small piece of plastic measuring 10 centimeters square. It looks like nothing more than a small plastic case. I wonder if it will work. It looks like it might be okay. The front panel allows playback, stop, and volume control. There is no button-like structure, but if you press it, it works. Basically, the WiiM Pro Plus is controlled by a smartphone. The rear panel has RCA analog and optical digital inputs, and RCA analog, optical digital, and coaxial digital outputs. Other terminals are a wired LAN terminal, a trigger out, a microphone measurement terminal, and a USB-C terminal for power. The trigger out terminal is for interfacing with other devices. I did not test the microphone measurement terminal because we do not have a compatible device. Let me introduce the devices I tested this time. The sound source was Amazon Music, received by WiiM Pro Plus, RCA analog output to Yamaha's R-N1000A integrated amplifier, and B&W's 705S2 signature speakers. For comparison, Amazon Music is received from the R-N1000A using Yamaha's MusicCast app and the 705S2 signature speakers. I tested it with and without the WiiM Pro Plus.
What about the Yamaha MusicCast app?
The biggest drawback of MusicCast is the long silence time between songs. It runs a little slow, but what bothers me more is the long pauses between songs. Incidentally, HEOS does not have long pauses between songs. With MusicCast, I was worried that the music might have stopped in between songs. In contrast, the WiiM Home app runs smoothly, and once you use it, you'll never go back.
And how was the sound?
It sounded smaller in scale than the R-N1000A alone. It sounds like there are fewer notes. Compared to the R-N1000A, it lacks one more step. The WiiM Pro Plus uses one DAC, the AKM4493 SEQ. Even though it is an upgrade from the WiiM Pro, it is not a very advanced DAC. In contrast, the R-N1000A uses 4 ES9080Q DACs. This may affect the sound quality. The WiiM Pro Plus costs 35,000 yen, while the R-N1000A costs about 200,000 yen, so there is quite a price difference. I guess there is a difference in sound quality.
If the R-N1000A can receive music by itself and sound great, I don't need the WiiM Pro Plus.
If you only use the R-N1000A, that's fine. But that's not the only reason I tried the WiiM Pro Plus. The WiiM Pro Plus gives me a wider choice of amplifiers.
What do you mean?
Up until now, if you wanted to listen to Amazon Music, you were limited to using D&M's HEOS or Yamaha's MusicCast app. Inevitably, you have to choose a D&M or Yamaha device. The only network player available from these three companies is Denon's tiyotiyo-Channel. This is expensive, exceeding 200,000 yen. Or, one has to choose an amplifier or CD player with a network playback function. So there are not many choices.
It's not so easy to have only one model of network player.
But with the WiiM Pro Plus, you can replace the network player with an amp from any manufacturer.
I see. Michael wanted to use equipment other than D&M and Yamaha.
Not really, but I wanted the freedom to use non-networked amplifiers.
I see. By the way, if the analog output of the WiiM Pro Plus is not good enough, why not use digital output?
Exactly. I tried both analog and digital outputs from the WiiM Pro Plus. I connected the RCA analog output and optical digital output from the WiiM Pro Plus to the R-N1000A using the cables provided. Both cables came with the WiiM Pro Plus.
What were the results?
The optical digital output had a more expansive sound. The high frequency range seemed to be more detailed. Next is a comparison of the optical and coaxial digital outputs of the WiiM Pro Plus. The coaxial digital cable is not included with the WiiM Pro Plus, so I purchased it separately. Mogami's 2964 0.75 m cable costs 2,555 yen. As a result, I could not tell the difference between the optical and coaxial cables. Since I bought the coaxial cable for comparison, I wanted to see a change in sound, but I couldn't tell. Well, it's audio, so it's routine to switch cables and find no difference.
Michael, you are very perceptive.
I would have liked to have heard a change in sound if I changed cables, but I didn't want to try it with the coaxial jacks. But the digital output was better than the analog output. The selling point of the WiiM Pro Plus is said to be the change of DAC. However, in my environment, the sound was better with the R-N1000A DAC.
Is there anything else you like about the WiiM Pro Plus?
This is another rumor on the internet, but I heard that the WiiM Pro Plus should have a stronger power supply. The AC adapter for the WiiM Pro Plus is a simple one, just like the one that comes with it.
Does the AC adapter change the sound?
I don't know. I have no experience replacing the AC adapter. However, I have heard that a power supply using gallium nitride is better, or that a linear power supply is better.
Gallium nitride, linear power supply? What's that?
I'm curious, so we'll discuss the power supply for the WiiM Pro Plus next time. That's all for now. The WiiM Pro Plus is an inexpensive music streamer, and the sound is quite good. I recommend it to anyone who wants to enjoy networked playback at a reasonable price.
Does Master want a WiiM Pro Plus too?
Yes, I want it.